Question number 56. The volume strength of 1.6 normal H2O2 solution is. There's a simple formula to find out the volume strength of the given H2O2 solution, that is equal to normality into 5.6. That's called volume strength. And normality in the question is given, that's 1.6. Just multiply 5.6 to it and you will get here 8.96V. That's volume strength. And on that basis, option 2 is the correct option for this question. After that, question number 57. Question number 57. The correct order of hydrated radii of the alkali metal ion is. If we talk about the alkali metals, as you move down the group, size of alkali metal ion increases. But if we talk about hydrated radii of alkali metal ions, what does it mean? It means you need to consider the process of hydration. Smaller the size of ion, more the process of hydration would be there. It means size of hydrated ion would be more. It means if you move down the group, the size of hydrated alkali metal ion decreases. And here we are talking about moving now. On the basis of this, Li positive ion. This is in hydrated form and its size is largest. While if we talk about sodium, after this, potassium ion, rubidium ion and cesium ion. And these all are the aqueous ions in hydrated form. This would be the order. Where this correct order is given, first lithium, then sodium, then potassium, then rubidium and then cesium. The size should be decreasing in that way. It means the largest size is there for lithium. That is here, that's given in option 2. Lithium ion has the largest size in hydrated form. After that, question number 58. Question number 58. Select the correct order of stability of oxidation states in the following. We have different ions given here. Let's check. Ga3 positive ion and Ga positive ion. It means gallium is there in 3+ oxidation state and +1 oxidation state. We should know that if we talk about the heavier elements of any group, those are more stable in lower oxidation state. And what's the reason for that? The reason is inert pair effect. Now, let's focus on this Ga3+ and Ga+. In this case, gallium is there. This is the element of group 13 and it is present after aluminium in group 13. Boron, aluminium and gallium is there. It is more stable in +3 oxidation state as compared to +1 oxidation state because the group oxidation state is +3 and gallium is more stable in that. It means this is the wrong statement. Further, if we talk about the second one, indium is there. After gallium, there is indium and indium is in 3+ oxidation state, is more stable as compared to +1 oxidation state and that's why this is correct one. Further, we need to check the next also. Thallium is there. Thallium is the lowermost element of the group 13. It is more stable in +1 oxidation state due to inert pair effect. And on the basis of this, this statement is wrong. Further, fourth option, germanium is there in +4 oxidation state and germanium is there in 2+ oxidation state. Germanium is the element of group 14 and it is present in group 14 after silicon, carbon, silicon and then germanium. It is more stable in +4 oxidation state, not in +2 oxidation state because inert pair effect is not that much applicable on this germanium and that's why this is also wrong. Which statement is correct only? The statement that's given in second option is correct. That's why option 2 is the correct option for this question. After this, question number 59. 2 liter of 1 molar HCl solution is mixed with another 3 liter of 2 molar HCl solution. A simple question in which two solutions are there which are going to be mixed, and both of these solutions are of HCl. It means there is no neutralization, simple mixing is there. Now, obtained solution is diluted by adding 5 liter water. Then the molarity of the resultant solution will be a very simple question based on molarity equation. So first what we did here, we have taken 2 liter of 1 molar HCl solution and 3 liter of 2 molar HCl solution, and final solution is prepared for that. So that M1V1 for the first solution plus M2V2, because mixing of the solution is there. Combined molarity we need to find out. The combined volume is V1 plus V2. Simple. Now M1, where is it given? It's given here 2 liter 1 molar HCl, and second one 3 liter 2 molar HCl. I'm just going to place the values there only. So this is 1 into volume is 2 plus M2. M2 is, it's given the question, 2. And what about V2? That's 3 liter. Molarity M into V1 plus V2. V1 is 2 and V2 is 3. So the sum becomes 5. So it would be 8. That's equal to M into 5. So what would be the value of M? That is equal to 8 by 5. This is the value for the molarity of the solution after mixing. Now, obtained solution is diluted by 5 liter of water. So simple molarity equation you will apply here. Dilution process is going on. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. And what is M1 here? If you check, M1 is 8 by 5. Now what is the total volume? That is 5 liter. It is equal to M2. What is M2 here? That we need to just find out. And what's the volume of the resulting solution? Because the process of dilution was there. 5 liter volume was already there. 5 liter water you have added. So the total volume becomes 5 plus 5, 10. Now this M2 is equal to 8 by 10. That is 0.8 molar. And this is the molarity of the final solution. Where this is given, it's given here in option 3. That's why the correct answer is option 3 also. After that, next question. Question number 60. If the radius of the ground state of He positive ion is x, then the radius of third excited state will be. We are talking about third excited state. Third excited state. And if you talk about this, the n value is equal to 4. If the radius of the ground state of He positive ion is x, then the radius of third excited state will be. We know that radius for particular shell is directly proportional to n square by z. First we are talking about helium. For helium, this radius is given, that's x. It's directly proportional to n square. What's the value of n? That's 1 square by z. Now for the second case, radius you need to just find out. That is directly proportional to n square by z. Now n becomes 4 square by z. So x by r is equal to 1 by z. So that's equal to 1 by 16. So r is equals to 16x. So this would be the value of r that you need to just find out. Where this value is given? It's given here in option 3. And on the basis of this, you will choose option 3 as the correct answer. After this, next question.